Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to compress any files or folders in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening. So I have a folder here and I have one file here, right? So how you can compress this folder or this file. So for this, what you need to do, say I want to compress this folder, then just right click on it, and now you will see here a properties. Just click on it. Now under the properties you will see here option written as advanced. Just click on it, and now you will see here option compress contents to save this space. Just enable this and click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Now you will see here two arrows meeting each other icon will get appear. That means this folder is being compressed. So similarly you can do the same thing with a file also. Just right click on it and just select this properties, and now under the general tab you can see here below advanced. Just click on advanced, and similarly just select this compress contents to save this space. Just enable it and click on OK and click on apply and click on OK. Now you can see similarly the two arrow icons, that is the blue arrow icons meeting each other, will be shown or displayed on the respective file or folders which are being compressed. So if you want to uncompress or undo it again, just right click on the particular folder or file, go back to the same option properties, select this advanced, just untick this option compress contents to save this space, and click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. So now you can see the compress icon is gone. That means this folder is back to the normal state or the uncompressed state. Similarly you can do the same thing with a file also. If you want to uncompress it again, just go to the properties, go to the advanced, just untick this option, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. So this is the way how to compress any files or folders in Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.